Anthropic think they're the big cheese when it comes to AI alignment. So much so that they've just open sourced their internal alignment tool for anyone to modify. Now, this is quite nice. Petri, an open source auditing tool to accelerate AI safety research. So we've discussed alignment. We know what alignment is. Acting within the best intentions of humanity, and then actually does what it tells you to do. But what I found quite interesting is the open source nature. Not only are people allowed to use it for free, you're able to modify it. So the UK AI Security Institute have modified it with their own preferences. What do they consider alignment, and what they've changed it into an auditing tool to make sure that AI governance is done correctly in their institute. So I quite like that. I quite like that you can. I'm presuming you can run any coding tool through this. To be honest, you can say, look, this is what it's a governance and what's the word I'm looking for? Compliance mechanism to say this is how we deem an AI to be workable and whatever within our organization. Petri have already kind of taken the lead on that. So quite a nice little. I mean, it's always good to see open source stuff, but yeah, it's kind of it. It begs the question: who will adopt it? And again, Anthropic have their own ideas of what alignment is and whether everyone deems that, because I think a lot of people will just use this at face value and won't modify it whatsoever. I mean, there's no harm in that, but you're taking Anthropic's trust, which we are already doing anyway, right? OpenAI are auditing have got their own alignment goalposts and all this, that, and the other. So yeah, pretty cool.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.